Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I am going to share with you how to organize your YouTube playlist. Like example, maybe you going to upload a different category video and you would like to set the latest episode or latest video will be in the top in your playlist. So you might be don't know how to organize your YouTube playlist. In this video, I am going to share with you how to organize your YouTube playlist. So let's take a look. In order to organize your YouTube playlist, you have to open your YouTube in your web browser. So here is my YouTube channel, and then you have to go on here, go to on my channel, and you will notice that my YouTube channel there is already a bunch of playlists. So if I am going to, you see there is all this appear, the popular one is first. So if you like to say the latest one in will be first video, so what you have to do, you have to click the playlist and then you have to click the edit, and after that you will see here this playlist is automatically sorted by popularity. That means in this video whatever I will add the playlist, it will not only appear the popularity. That means the video watch more, that video will be appear in the top. So if you like to change it, just simply click that playlist setting and you will see a new screen will pop up, and here you will see the lighting ordering. Here you will choose the one you would like to set, like date edit newest, or date edit oldest, or date edit most popular. So if I'm going to add this date edit newest, and after that if you select this save, that means whatever video I will add this playlist, the recent one will appear on the top. So this is how you can organize your YouTube playlist. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.